Okay, so I see you niggas was on that video. Definitely did mean for that one to go up there, yes. But enjoy whoever saw it. Yes. Never again. Never again, people. And, like, I'm hoping everybody is, like, having a wonderful time tonight, getting fucked, all that kind of good shit. Like, just enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Definitely enjoy yourself. Yes. Okay, so, like, let me get back to what I'm supposed to be doing because, like, I just feel so cute. Yeah, my outfit is so cute, y'all. It's so cute. This is just, I just threw a t-shirt on to run somewhere. But, like, yeah, just adorable. Like, look at it. Look at her. Look at she. Look at she. And Tamika, I love her to death. She like, I'm like, yeah, TJ, my best friend. She like, I'm your best friend. I'm your best friend. Yes, you're my best girlfriend. Girl as in friend. But he is definitely my best male friend. He's my best friend. And y'all know y'all probably sick of hearing me talking about, I don't give a fuck. I believe in giving people their motherfucking flowers now. So feel free to suck a dick. I got my reasons. I do not want to, like, why can't people just act right? Just act right. Just act right. Not even act as in acting or being funny. Just do right. Okay? Just do right. Ew. I'm gonna end up marrying the person I don't want to marry. Just act right. Pussy. Anywho, based on the video I uploaded by accident, as well as the other content that I put out, as well as these videos that you're probably watching at this right moment, I am a little drunk and I need to go into this establishment and get some rest. So, everybody have a wonderful night. I am, but everybody have a wonderful night. And last but not least, damn it, if you by chance happen to date a nice, pretty, sweet, educated, intellectual, business-orientated, black, mixed race possibly, freaking amazing, sweet, kind-hearted, freak, ass girl, woman, do right by her. That's all you guys have to do. Just do right. Just do right. The nigga I'm supposed to be married to, you know who you are. We supposed to have kids, all this other shit. What are we doing? What are we doing? But no, you wanted to do what you wanted to do. So, and then come back. No, you can't come back. It's not okay. That felt good. Okay, stay tuned for tomorrow for the...
A few moments later.
Shut up and sit down.